How to watch DramaBox series for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch DramaBox series for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your DramaBox. Now initially DramaBox is free, it's kind of free, but after some time the episodes are locked and you'll need coins and rewards to watch that very series. So after sometimes it can get quite annoying that you cannot actually watch the DramaBox without doing anything. So to watch DramaBox series, what you'll need to do is first make sure that you're here, and after you're here, just choose a series that you want to watch. So after you choose a series, remember its name. I'll just remember this: Forever Was a Lie. Now you can head over to your Safari and search for that very series. So I'll just search for Forever Was a Lie series. After I do that, I'll tap on go, and from here I'll get a lot of websites from which I can watch that very series. So that is how you can watch DramaBox series for free, guys, and that is basically all for the video as well. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.